Oxford Pharmaceuticals is leading the way with high-quality, made-in-the-USA generic pharmaceutical manufacturing of oral solid tablets. Oxford has now surpassed the competition with advanced serialized technology. Located in Birmingham, Alabama, Oxford broke ground for the construction of our $30 million, 150,000 square feet state-of-the-art manufacturing and distribution facility. Oxford ships directly to our customers from our own finished goods warehouse on site. With a commitment to providing affordable medication, Oxford is making a positive impact in the healthcare industry. The company's emphasis on large-scale manufacturing provides cost-saving processes with advanced equipment and in-house label printing. Oxford continues to have a very positive FDA inspection and is setting precedency awards meeting DSCSA requirements. Oxford has 30-plus products in their portfolio, with several products yet to be launched. There are a number of items that are being filed with the FDA in 2024 for launch in 2025 and beyond. Oxford ships directly to our customers from our own finished goods warehouse on site. Oxford's mission is to provide affordable, high-quality generic drug products to improve the lives of patients. Discover why it's better to buy made in the USA.